Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing the subscription box thing. Let's take a look at what we're doing today. So, this is our February gold subscription from Magic at Your Door. And Mike sent me a message because he was excited because he said there's something very cool in here that he thinks I will like a lot. So I'm really excited for it. And if he's wrong, the bromance is over. Sorry, man. It's all coming up right now. Alright, so let's take a look. So, just like the bronze box we did last week, we've got Dude on here, all ready for Mardi Gras. And it's personalized to Disney Dynamicks. Alright. It's hard to open away from you. I got it, hang on. Alright. Is it good? Alright. So we've got the monthly newsletter, which I will... So you can take a look at that. And then this other sheet is... This one has, as always, it has the color codes for all the prices for Disney products and, you know, the latest information about Magic at Your Door. And then this sheet tells you how you can become a guest YouTuber on the Magic at Your Door YouTube channel. So take a look at those. I'll put that one right there too. Alright, so we've got some Mardi Gras confetti in here. Not as much as the last one. Alright. Pin Trader Starter Set. Oh, that's cute. Alice in Wonderland. So it's a lanyard and 4 pins. Let's get a better look at that. As you can see, Mary's helping me this evening. Alright, so you can see the pins. I'll put a better picture up here in the photo box, and then it also has a little tag that has the explanation of how to pin trade. I'll put a little picture of this up close too so you can read that if you want to learn how to pin trade. It's not too tough. Alright, very cool. Next we have a Dumbo plush. Oh, look at his big ears. That's super cute. He's really big. Very soft and fluffy. Mary is looking at me from behind the camera, and she looks very excited. You excited, Mary? Yeah, she is. Awesome. Great job, Mike. Thank you. Alright. Nothing? So, here, you want to come get... Alright. What do we got going on in here? What? I'm glad I didn't just whip it out of there because there's a mug inside, but look at this thing. Oh my gosh, look at the back. It's a windbreaker. Look at this thing. It fits in everything. Oh yeah. You see the back? Very nice. Thank you very much, Mike. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna take it off because it makes noise. Alright, that is going to be amazing to take with us to Tokyo. By the way, fingers crossed. Super hoping that we can still take our trip. So they closed Tokyo Disneyland right now. It's supposed to reopen the middle of March. We're going in the middle of April. So please keep your fingers crossed. We really want to go on this trip. Hopefully it reopens and all is well. We'll see what happens. Alright, so we're not done yet. We have one more thing. And I can tell it's super... Oh, we have one thing and there's something inside of it. So, well... Oh my gosh! I love this mug! This is definitely my favoriteest mug ever right now. That is super cool, and there's a legendary pouch inside. Look at that! Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Alright, and finally. Now there's supposed to be one of their, what do they call it? Like a fantasy pin. The ones that they actually produce every month. But they had trouble getting them shipped in because of all the things happening in the world right now. So I don't think that's in here. We'll probably get that in our next box. Oh, that's cute! It's a keychain. And it is Mickey's. Look at that. I love it. I will put a better picture right there so you can take a look. Oh, that is so cool. Alright, so way to hit it out of the park. Everything is amazing, and the majority's for me. Yes! In your face! Just kidding, she's gonna kill me. Okay, so again, that was the gold box, which is $124.99. That includes shipping, so that is a significant savings there. So $124.99, and the value inside was $143.42. That does not include the fantasy pin. So the fantasy pin is something that they just make on their own and include it every month. This time it wasn't in there because of shipping issues with a certain country. But it will be coming, and so you still can count that. I count that as about $10. So basically, $150 worth of stuff for $125 and free shipping, which is pretty awesome. The other thing is I really like about Magic at Your Door is their preferences when you order with them. They are crazy specific. So you can say, I really like Mickey, I don't like coffee mugs. Like, we don't ever get Mickey or Minnie ears because that's just not our thing. But you can be super specific. That is really awesome. They have a wish list, which is just a giant list of items with pictures, and you can actually click on it and say, I really would like these put in my box, and they try to accommodate that. And then the other way that they personalize it is if you're part of their Magic at Your Door Facebook group, they will sometimes just post pictures of new items that came in, and you can just comment on it, I would really like this, please. And they pay attention to all that stuff, and I don't know how they keep it all straight, but that is how you end up with a box you really like. It's really on you. You've got to take care of your preferences, make sure everything is set up right, and it's basically like having a secret personal shopper. I don't know how else to describe it, because it's exactly the stuff you want, but you didn't know the product that you wanted until you got it. It just happens to be the right people or ride or, you know, whatever it is. So, if you've never gotten a Magic at Your Door subscription before, there is a link in the description below. So if you're looking at this on your phone, turn your phone straight up and down and look in the little corner and you'll see a triangle. Click that triangle and that'll open up the description. Click the link in there and that will save you $10 off of your first monthly subscription box. And you use our code DD10 and that helps us out and it helps you out. So it's win-win for everybody except for Magic at Your Door. So please use our discount code. Alright, if you'd like to take a look at our last video, it's right there. And if you'd like to subscribe, hit this little button right there. And I hope you're having a great day.